M, M prime, and M2 slices are the ones that are pretty difficult to learn. I recommend you getting a flawless and effortless thing to turn. That will make it easier for you to learn these. First, the easiest one is M prime. I use my ring finger to push on this edge right here. I push up, so now my ring finger is positioned like this. In M, which is the hardest in my opinion, you move the ring finger on here and then you move it back. My ring finger ends up here on this edge. The last kind is an M2. Of course, you can do an M prime, or an MM, but this is way faster and easier to learn, or just faster in general. So, what I do is, for the other ones, I start off with my ring finger, and then while I'm doing that, I move my middle finger up. So, I'll see that again. Do you see my ring finger right here? I move it, and my ring finger goes up. I'm not the best at the M prime, and M2 flicks, but this may help you since I had trouble learning it and I couldn't find any good videos for it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you. I will have a tutorial on EPLLs which require M prime and M2 and U prime flicks. Have a good one.